accounts from incomplete records. Sum number 8. Raju does not keep proper books of account. Following details are taken from his records. The given particulars are cash at bank, stock of goods, debtors, sundry creditors, bank loan, bills payable, plant and machinery. As we know that sundry creditors, bank loan, bills payable are liabilities and the rest of the particulars are assets. Now they had also given some additional information. During the year, he introduced further capital of rupees 50,000, which is additional capital, and withdraw rupees 2,500 per month from the business of his personal use, which is drawings. As we know that a year has 12 months, for the calculation of drawings, we have to multiply 2,500 into 12. Now, they had asked to prepare statement of profit or loss with the above information. For the calculation of profit or loss, we want additional capital, drawings, opening capital and closing capital. But they didn't give the amount of opening capital and closing capital. But they had given some particulars for the calculation of opening capital and closing capitals. Now for the calculation of opening capital, we have to use statement of affairs as on 1st Jan 2018. As I had already applied the given question in our format. For the calculation of opening capital, we have to use this column, amounts. Now, the next step is we have to add the amount which is in debit side. And the total of debit column is 5,20,000. We have to balance the same amount in credit side also, which is 5,20,000. Next step is we have to less 5,20,000 with 1,30,000, 60,000 and 80,000, which will gives you 2,50,000. Now we had got the amount of opening capital. Then we have to find the amount of closing capital. For the calculation of closing capital, same we have to use statement of affairs as on 31st December 2018. In the calculation of closing capital, we have to use this amount. And the next step is we have to add the amount which is in debit side, which will gives you 6 lakh. We have to balance the same amount in credit side also, which is 6 lakh. Next, we have to less the amount of 6 lakh with 1,90,000, 60,000 and 45,000, which will gives you 3 lakh. Now, we had also got the amount of closing capital. Next, we have to find whether it is profit or loss. As they had already given in the question, drawings and additional capital. And we had find the amount of closing capital, which is 3 lakh. And the amount of opening capital is 2,50,000. Next, we have to add 3 lakh plus 30,000, which will gives you 3,30,000. And the next step is we have to less 3,30,000 with 50,000, which will gives you 2,80,000. Then we have to less 2,80,000 with 2,50,000, which will gives you 30,000. So our sum is profit.